Good morning, and we are going to Daytona. But here's the deal. We're not going to go straight to Daytona. We're going to go from here. We're going to go to Orlando, spend the night there, dip down to Miami, visit All American Cycle and my buddy Jewelworks that's supposed to be there getting his awesome new bike built. And here it looks like we have one more rider arriving with us. We got two. It's going to be a total of three of us. We're going to hang out there for a little bit. We'll probably stop at the Miami Harley Davidson dealership. But hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, CBO Mafia, baby. Here we go. Pull him up in the mist, man. Pulling up in the mist. Good morning, man. Good morning. Once we hang out in Miami, then we're going to go to the Keys. Although I don't know how that's going to work out because the Keys are, I think they're flooded as a couple of days ago. So we'll see how that goes out. We're going to come back, spend the night in Miami, hopefully, fingers crossed, go to a bike night that they're having in Miami, which if that's the case, I'm so excited. Hang out for a bit, get a hotel somewhere, and then head out to Daytona the next morning to Destination Daytona, right in time for my meet and greet with Evan Black, March 1st from 12 to 2. You know what's going to make this trip really unique is that we don't have any hotels. We're going to do it old school. We're just going to ride, and when we get tired, we're going to try to book some hotels, man. So stay tuned. Come along with us as we go around Florida on the way to Daytona, Florida. All right, guys, we didn't make it far because this fog here is so dense that we had to get off and put on our wet weather gear because this fog was dense. But I'm wearing my brand new Odin manufacturing rain gear. I like it a lot, and the guys are already suited up, so we're gonna hit the road because although it's not raining, this dense fog here is really wet, and we're getting pretty wet as well. So anyhow, follow us as we continue our road trip all the way over to Daytona, but we're gonna try to get as far as we can to Orlando or past Orlando. We're on I-10. As you can see, this fog is dense, y'all. This fog is dense, and you have drivers like this that are just on people's butt, and we just gotta be extra careful when we ride like this. All right, we are stopping here to put gas, and I'm selecting 93 octane. But the nice thing about this pump right here is, let me grab the camera here, is that here we have E85, E18, 87, 89, and 93. So my buddy Hector over here says like, hey, should I put, oh man, I don't like to overspill on the gasoline. My buddy over here, Hector, he's like, hey dude, should I put E85? I'm like, I mean, I guess, but these are stock CVOs, with the exception that I got stage 1 on mine, and his is totally stock. But yeah, E85 here, and it is foggy and dense. Again, let me get the camera over here. I am so happy. Look at this. It is dense as I don't know what. It's dense and dangerous, I'll say, but we're in good spirits. It's barely 6:12 a.m. We're hoping when the sun comes up that the man, look at that. That's crazy. That it's gonna go away. We're about, I don't know, 20 minutes away or miles away from Louisiana, so we're gonna continue. But let me ask you this before I finish this segment: is this the slowest pump ever, or what? Look at this. Like, man, we're gonna be here 2 hours before we're done, dude. We're about to take off, everybody, but this right here, if you can see the yellow or the amber Baja light, this is why you want to get the Baja or the amber color, because it lets you see the imperfections within the wind. Therefore, you can see the potholes and stuff. Guys, we are standing on I-10 right here. There is traffic. There is unfortunately an accident over there. So we are pretty much stuck. Hopefully everybody's okay. I see an 18-wheeler. But yeah, here we are on I-10. So just our journey continues, but you guys that travel, you guys know the feeling that everything's super unpredictable. All right, we're moving here. And the state trooper there give us a little peace sign, so that's always nice. I'm screaming because my mic's not on, but yeah, so, oh, apologies. A Waze said that there was a crash, but it was just construction here. Oh no, it was. Looks like that 18-wheeler, I guess, went off the road there, unfortunately. We are right outside of Biloxi, Mississippi, and we are here at Hurricane Harley Davidson. So we're going here and check it out, get some coins. It's the first time they've been here before, and so why not have fun with this trip, you know? But they have a bunch of inventory outside, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. I might film, I might not, but let's continue the video. This is my favorite part on my way to Daytona. I love going under the bridge here in Mobile, Alabama. It's pretty cool, you know? I hope you can hear me because my mic is out. But man, it's definitely one of my favorite parts of going to Daytona. You can hear the guys back there revving. It is definitely loud in here, let me tell you. As you can see behind me, we have made it to Florida. We just took a little picture here. This is kind of like a traditional stop for us. And here is the sign here as well. And I have to admit that last year we parked the bikes on the other side. And I think the shot was from here. And I think it was meant to be taken from this angle. So you can have the jet, the Navy jet and everything going up there. But anyhow, the weather is perfect. Perfect, guys. In the morning it was foggy and everything, but it is perfect here. And my man Hector here, he's rolling deep in the CVO. My Miguel here, we're all doing good. And so now, what do you think, lunchtime, guys?
I think so.
Lunchtime? We're gonna go get some food here now that we're in Florida. And yeah. We looked up this restaurant. We looked up for restaurants that were really, really close by, and we saw Karina's Comida Latina is right off of I-10 here, but it's like next to a gas station, so we're gonna see what it's like. This is the food. This is the carne asada, and you got which one? So you got the chicken breast, and you got some tacos there. What's the verdict?
Tacos are bomb.
Right? This is some good food here. So if you're coming down, where are we at? Entering Florida, come get some of this, man. It's good. All right, guys, we made it here to a little town right outside of Orlando, and Hector and Miguel are up there looking down. But anyhow, the bikes are good. They're parked out here. It is 11 o'clock local time here. We rode shy of 1,000 miles, and I want to say like 16, 17 hours total. There was a lot of traffic. We did, stop and eat and everything like that. But tomorrow we're gonna wake up. Case ends up at 6 in the morning. We're gonna head over to Miami, and the plan is to stop by the Harley Davidson dealership there in Miami with the famous Miami sign, and then from there go visit our friends over at All American Cycle and our really good friend. I don't even know if I should tell you guys. I'll tell you what, if I told you already, cool, but if not, just stay tuned and you see who I'm talking about. I can't remember if I told you, it's been a long day. Anyhow, now I'm gonna get some sleep. Well, not only am I in Miami, oh my God, it has carbon fiber wheels. It has all this custom work done in terms of the paint here. Whoa! This bike is built right.